it tastes good, and it's not like the other Hausa Koko I know. This one is very thick, as you can see. So I think any small amounts that you eat, you are going to be satisfied. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So today we are at Adum in Kumasi, one of the busiest cities in Kumasi, and we've discovered a Hausa Koko joint. I don't want to talk much. Let's get into the video and you guys should see for yourselves. Okay, so Hausa Koko or millet porridge is one of the most popular Ghanaian street breakfasts that you can find in Ghana. The cocoa is sold alongside with akara, which is kose or beans cake. We have some both fruit or puff puff, some bread, groundnuts, milk, and it's so delicious. So this woman is a Hausa Koko seller in Kumasi, around Adum, behind the ministries. And what I have observed is that her cocoa is not like the regular cocoa that we all know on the streets of Ghana. We have bunch of cars that always come to park there every morning to buy her cocoa. Both men in suits and tie, women, kids, everyone, almost people from all walks of life in Kumasi here come to buy her cocoa. So I decided to do a short interview with her and just get to know what really goes into this business. Let's continue. What I also observed is that the place she sells the cocoa isn't too huge, but this woman manages her little corner. She is very neat. I mean, she has a sieve that contains the kose, the bowl fruit, the pinkaso, which is always closed, so there are no house flies moving in and out of the sieve. And aside that, she covers her sugar anytime she finishes, fetching some for someone. This is not common to see in Ghana here, because almost every cocoa seller has their sugar opened, and after that she has a clean apron, she has her nose mask on. She's also observing the necessary precautions, and what I also saw is that she was observing social distancing. So I heard her tell people to move at a distance and finish and let her serve those standing in front of her first, and then they can move towards her direction. And I think it is pretty good. She is very neat. She covers her milk, she covers the porridge immediately after selling, and she even had a gloves on, but she explained to me that when she has the gloves on and she's tying the porridge, it makes it difficult for her. So yeah, let's get into this quick interview with her.
Good morning. Now, Pumen. I'm Adum. I am Hausa Koko na eye yare ni ntino o shele face mask a enye asende to akra.
Nipa ne bebre amapa de bia nim se obepe koko adi ansa na yatimi aye o se wo ye na ebie mo no ape aduane bi mo na wati.
Ti anopa de obepe koko a no na awia no wape aduane a emu odu na wadi. Eno ntini yenso ye na meja ye boa na ya boga na nuane ho dawro no na yenso so ye fa ho edidi aha tisa ne be kono na me hye eye wa yi ne mo a omu ya kuno yi papa mu ya kuno yi won kate wo me brown sugar wo ade tina wo brown sugar wa no
brown sugar no ni pe bi wo ha o mo pe white sugar na no bi so ha o se pe sugar na the better di mo brown sugar na ha extra di mo se di white sugar that's
okay
so how about tina ha me dia ka
Okay. It's you Kumasi. Na dia ne dia na Kumasi pinka so masa buffaloat. Ana nkatie. Ana wo milk nso. Kumasi bread nso. Oh, okay. Eti pan on so ewo you say. Eti baby bia wo hwe free bia no. The hanom ye cocoa joint a ewo Adum. Said ye na make canon said the amount for if ever hanon beto cocoa so when na say catch it more heavy beer or money said ye and you know be so about or more a year.
By posting any pink as only massa, any book looked on no cock saying pan on. Oh, okay. I am sending in our kind Jumana A. Was our the camera, so be back. Be pet posting. Usually I was here on a panel of pet and what. To beat me out to pan on the source of our pan or posting any money and no quantum time pan.
Enti na radio masumu asade yesi ye ne kokora twetwen kono wa kire nyoma no dodo na enti yenzo so ne kom de samre ne be hwe na asade amaye na ye di no esabe ka ho so asamachi ti kokora
kokora mpese mituzi ni pe wo kroani mu but why any saying
any sugar once
okay enti me pe any sugar 1 cd. Now the nkati aka ho. I'll show you.
Oh, yeah. Now they want it. Hey, the way I was saying, the crowd wants it there. Yeah. As a news man, oh, try.
Thank you. Mesa to both fruits account, but person you could see over. Okay. So guys, as you can see, I've bought some of the cocoa and it's looking very, very nice. I'm going to go ahead and eat. Okay, I need cocoa in any factory. It's medium, I'm about to
I don't know if George's application, so you know why
Okay, so it's now time for me to eat and taste it and see the reason why lots of people have been coming here.
have some more fruits here. It tastes good, and it's not like the other Hausa Koko I know. This one is very thick, as you can see. So I think any small amounts that you eat, you are going to be satisfied, and it's really hygienic too, as you can see. The seller herself is even taking the necessary precautions. She has some nose mask on, and the place is neat. She has a sieve that is closed, so no house flies settle on the kose and the bullfruit and the other stuff. And so I think if you are in Kumasi and you want some Hausa Koko to enjoy, just come to Adum behind the ministries and you will thank me later. So now let me continue eating. I'll see you after I'm done eating.